Hello everyone, welcome to Berylawesfashion channel. Thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. In today's class, I will be showing you how to develop a pattern for bear sleeve. I will be making use of my basic sleeve block. In case you do not know how to make yours, I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can make yours. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my bicep line into 3. So I'm dividing my back bicep into 3. Then I move to the front and divide into 3 again. So the next thing I'm going to do is to connect it to the hemline. I'm going to roll down, or you roll from the hemline to the cap height, following those points, the lines that you have divided. I'm following the points. So the next thing I'm going to do is to slash it from the hemline to the cap. I'm not going to cut through, I'm only going to slash it. You slash all the lines. Altogether we are having 5 lines, so I'm going to slash through all the lines and spread. Please don't cut through, just slash. I'm slashing the last line. The next thing I'm going to do is to place it on another paper and spread. I'm spreading it. I will spread it in such a way that the opening will be equal. It has to be even, yes. If you use 5 inches, it has to be 5 inches all through. So I will be making use of 3 inches. 3 inches is okay. Yes, it's okay. 3 inches is okay, but it depends on you. Secure it with your masking tape so that it doesn't shift. Three inches. Since I'm using 3 inches, I will use 3 inches all through. That way it will be even. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do. Since that place is not enough, I'm going to join it with another paper. That way I'll be able to spread it very well and have my desired inches, which is 3 inches. Can see that it's very simple to achieve. You just need to spread it and connect it with your curve ruler. So I'm going to connect it with my curve ruler now. We are connecting the hem side. That's the down part of the sleeve. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload video, you will be notified. And please don't forget to share our videos with your friends. That is it. You can add your sewing allowance on the paper, or you do that while transferring to the fabric. Let me just show you how you can do it on paper in case you want to add it to it on your paper. Depending on what you want to add, you At the down part, you can add 1 inch. Then at the armhole area, half inch is okay. That is what you use to attach it to your bodies. Half inch is okay. Don't go beyond half inch. Then at the side, you can either do half an inch or 1 inch. Don't go beyond 1 inch at the side. I'm not measuring it, I'm just showing you how it will be like by the time you had your sewing allowance. So I'm going to cut it out now that we have added allowance, but I will cut it without the joining allowance. So my joining allowance will be done on fabric. Remember, you will be cutting 2 of it while cutting on your fabric. Fold your fabric into 4 and cut it out. Fold it into 2 and cut out your sleeve, and you are good to go. Always remember to add your sewing allowance. If my tutorials have been helpful to you, please just give me that thumbs up. If you have any questions or ideas, feel free to share them below and I will attend to them. And if you are having challenges in your sewing, let me know in the comment section so that I can make videos on those areas that you are having challenges. That is it. When you fold it, your sleeve is ready, your best sleeve is ready. It's very simple to make. Try it out and let's know how it is in this our sewing group, that is Berylawes Sewing Workshop. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again in our next tutorial.